Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to open up snaps on Snapchat web. If this tutorial will be helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video. Now, once you are on your Snapchat, you want to of course go ahead to your internet browser and not on your phone. And you want to go ahead and search for Snapchat web and go ahead right there, web.snapchat.com, and log into your account just like so. Now, once you're logged in here, you're gonna get started. Now from here, you're gonna open up your Snap, which you want to go ahead and watch. And as you can see, for me, it doesn't work. You have to open up the mobile application to view it. So that's the issue here. And they write here on their support that you can send snaps on Snapchat web. So basically you can share yourself, but snaps can only be opened on mobile application. As you can see, it's not available still and it's not fixed. So sorry guys for this, but that's the issue. And if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.